Hi there, food friends. It's Kevin, and welcome to display window edition of Cavalcade of Food. And I thought some of you might be interested in seeing the fall display windows, which have gone up recently. And we'll start with the small window here, and it is dig into the autumn buffet. So, of course, you know, and I'm sure I've said this, I love this time of year, and I love the colors of this time of year. So I tried to feature those in the window. Let's see if we can come in here and see what we've got on the buffet table. Some kind of fall colored china and servingware, coffee pot, crock pot. Got an old oilcloth, tablecloth here. Ice bucket. Remember those warming trays that you'd get to keep things hot if you had a buffet for a party, things like that. One of my old bar stools here, but dig into the autumn buffet. And we had this light fixture many years ago, used to hang in the corner of our living room, our family room, along with our shag carpet and early American furniture. So there's the small window. We'll come and take a look at the big window, try to get a wide shot first. And the big window is called Cook with Color. And again, try to focus on things that were fall colors. And here we have a copper tone, or sometimes wood tone, brown Kitchen Aid roll-away dishwasher, and some vintage Tupperware up there. Who remembers that Tupperware came in orange and yellow and brown and green? Another crock pot. These percolators that were made by Regal called Polyperks. I have quite a few of those, and they came in really fun colors. People liked those. They didn't scratch or dent or ding like the metal percolators. I don't know about brewing coffee and hot coffee in plastic, though. I don't know what kind of plastic that is. We probably wouldn't do that now, but then we did. Here's a Hamilton Beach roaster oven. And again, I love to put the fall colors just everywhere I can. Here we've got a table. Again, more coffee pots with the Corning had that line of cookware and coffee pot that had all the great colors of the 70s. It had brown and green and orange and gold. Some of you may remember that pattern. It was very popular. Crock pot. There's some Tupperware. Decanter. I always loved those sort of crepe paper three-dimensional cutouts for different holidays. I always thought that was fun. And here, let me pull back a little bit, we've got an Avocado Green General Electric range. I had some floor tiles that were never used, still in a box from the 70s. And I just put those on the floor. I thought, you know what, they work with the fall colors, the sort of green and gold. And aren't those great colors? I don't have enough of them to really do any big area, but I thought, yeah, they'd look great in the window. Here's another pattern. Now that is a Christmas quilt. I do have that in the window because my dear friends who I actually bought this building from, when the family who owned the Ben Franklin are very active in the Presbyterian Church here in Croswell, and every year they have a raffle for a quilt that the ladies make. And I have to tell you, this is some beautiful, beautiful work. You can see the reverse side of it there. It's sort of the snowflakes, but just beautiful work. And one of these years I'm going to win one of these quilts. I always buy a bunch of tickets, but that's okay. I'm happy to help them promote it and sell tickets because they do a lot of good work in the community with the proceeds. They also have a wonderful turkey roll dinner the day of the raffle. They have a craft show, a bake sale, and a turkey roll dinner in the dining room, which I volunteer and help. I don't think I do too much, but I just help out in the kitchen for that. Anyway, so that's why that's in the window. And then we've got a Harvest Gold General Electric range. This is a beauty. And I've got, I know some of you may remember this cookware by Corning. It was called Visions. And it was just sort of a glass cookware. Some people loved it, some people hated it. I don't mind it for certain things. For other things, I don't like it. I prefer my Farberware metal pans, but they made it for a long time and it was fairly popular, but the colors work here with the window. So, cook with color. And why not? We should probably do that all the time, not just in the fall. But anyways, these are the fall windows here at the Cavalcade. I just wanted to share them with you. And I hope everybody is having a wonderful autumn season. And I wish everybody all the best for this wonderful time of year. We'll see you again soon. The website, cavalcadeoffood.com. Take care, everybody.